Hey everyone! Welcome back to Elegancepreneur Channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and profitable business idea. How to start a courier business in 2025. Whether you're looking to be your own boss, tap into the booming e-commerce industry, or just love the idea of delivering smiles, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and plan your business. Before you hit the road, you need a solid plan. Start by researching your local market. Are there gaps in delivery services? What types of businesses or customers could benefit from your service? Think about your niche. Will you focus on same-day deliveries, medical supplies, or e-commerce packages? Once you've got your idea, write a business plan. Include your target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. This will be your roadmap to success. Step 2. Choose your delivery model and vehicles. Next, decide how you'll operate. Will you run a bike courier service for quick urban deliveries? Or will you need vans for larger packages? You can even start small with just one vehicle and scale up as you grow. Don't forget to consider eco-friendly options like electric bikes or vans. They're not only great for the planet but also cost-effective in the long run. Step 3. Handle the legal stuff. Every business needs to be legit. Register your business, get the necessary licenses, and check local regulations for courier services. You might also need insurance to protect your vehicles and packages. Pro tip: consult a lawyer or business advisor to make sure you're covering all your bases. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Step 4. Invest in technology. In 2025, technology is your best friend. Use delivery management software or apps to track orders, optimize routes, and manage drivers. You can also build a simple website or app for customers to book deliveries easily. And don't forget social media. It's a powerful tool to market your business and connect with customers. Step 5. Build your team. If you're starting small, you might be the only driver. But as you grow, you'll need reliable drivers and staff. Look for people with great customer service skills and a clean driving record. Remember, your team is the face of your business, so invest in training and create a positive work culture. Step 6. Market your business. Now that you're ready to roll, it's time to attract customers. Start by reaching out to local businesses like restaurants, pharmacies, and online stores. Offer promotions or discounts to your first clients. Use social media, Google Ads, and word of mouth to spread the word. And always deliver on time. Happy customers are your best advertisers. And that's it. Starting a courier business in 2025 is doable with the right plan, tools, and mindset. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more business tips. Got questions or want to share your courier business journey? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.